Hi, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to show the total row count in Power BI table visual. So let's see the problem and the solution. So in my data set, we have company, country, and sales as columns. So now I'm creating a table visual, right? And then I add company as a column. So here, as you can see, the total. So the row total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 value cannot be comes as default. So let's see what is the hack that we can enable this. So you may think that if you go to format and in here you can tweak it, but as you can see, it's already enabled, but you cannot see the total, right? So to enable that, we need to do a small tweak. So for that, first we need to create a measure. So in the measure, I'll say total lines, right? And here I use a if condition, if, and using a functional called is in scope, and I give the company. So this checks if Power BI is currently showing the individual rows, right? So that is what it checks. And then if it is true, then I want to get the column, actual column value, right? So that for that I use max sheet 1 company. So that's the max value. So it gives the exact column name. And then if it is false, right? So then I'll say total space connected with distinct count of company, right? So it gives the count, right? So what happens is in scope, it checks Power BI is currently showing the individual rows. And then if it is true, right? So then it gives the actual name. And if it is false, meaning you are in the total row of the table and it returns the total followed by the total row count. So that is how it works. Now if I go here, right, and again create a table, then I add again the company and total line. So as you can see now, this is how it comes. And then what we need is to hover this up. See, it will not properly comes, right? So let's see how we can do that. Now click here, go to format and then go to values and text wrap is off. Then totals, uh, column header, text wrap is off. So we off text wrappers and then we do this one here. So as you can see now, the total value currently comes from the rows. So this is the hack. And thanks for watching the video and keep in touch.